To gain a competitive edge, it is necessary to have a number of incisive communication skills in your toolbox. Exposure to the right training can accelerate this. Here's what such a training can mean for you. Hi, I'm Mike Lanley of KnowYourMind.com. Ideally, you want to build on and further develop your influential skills. The knowledge gained in this training will point to how and why we think and behave in the way that we do. You will gain a range of flexible skills to challenge your mindset, change your results and, well, create a clear pathway towards what you truly want. So this part really builds on a further appreciation of the role of strategies and also looks at the benefits of modelling an expert. And once you're familiar, you absorb this knowledge, it really has the potential to take your thinking and your skills to a whole new place, and you will gain a new, different personal perspective. Now, NLP is basically built on three fundamental pillars: internal representations, your mind games; internal states, how you feel; external behavior, what you do, how you act. So, where does a strategy fit? Strategies belong to the internal representation segment. Now, a strategy simply is a sequence of thoughts we use to get a particular outcome, to get a very specific outcome. And they're composed of three aspects. One, the outcome, what it is you truly want; the sequence, the order, the steps that are needed to get to the outcome; and the elements of each of those steps, the submodalities that really make up each of those steps. And there are five main types of strategies. Decision strategies, how you decide; motivation strategies, how you get yourself going; reality strategies, what you believe to be true; learning strategies, how you gain new knowledge; memory strategies, how you remember, how you recall. Strategies explain essentially why we differ from one another. Now, an effective and efficient strategy can lead to generative change because excellence in one thing can always be applied to other things. Interestingly, strategies work 100% of the time. An outcome is always achieved, it's always obtained. However, it might not be the outcome that you want. In a case such as this, the particular strategy may well need to be modified. Now, we have a strategy for every single thing we do, and the ability to elicit a person's strategies in business, in sales, in education, therapy, relationships, management, and so on is a tremendous skill to have, and it will boost your results strikingly so. Now, here are some situations where a good strategy can be incredibly rewarding. Health, how can you get in better shape? Decision making, how can you improve the quality of your decisions? Changing beliefs, what do you believe? Motivation, how more effective could you become? Modelling, what is the ideal approach to this skill? Learning, how can you make the process far easier? Sales, how does a person buy? Therapy, how can you overcome certain limitations? If you know the strategies a person uses in a particular context, you will know what makes them tick. Now let's move on to modelling. Now, modelling involves observing and mapping the successful processes involved in producing a consistent and exceptional performance. In other words, how an apparent behaviour can be broken down into manageable chunks so you can recreate it, so it can be reproduced. And just imagine having this skill, what it could mean for you. So you can learn these techniques and allow you to identify the verbal and non-verbal patterns involved in getting the outcome. So the quest is to model excellence by extracting and formulating the processes so the same steps can be followed and the same excellent result produced. Learn how to model excellence in others and then install the model in yourself. Learn advanced insights and skill in implicit and explicit modeling. Learn how to use NLP models in strategic and structural change processes. Learn how to create a training program to install models of excellence in other people. And learn advanced techniques of elicitation, coding, utilization and teaching of modeling. Modeling covers a range of processes. Well, you could say a range of criteria, the mental, psychological, emotional, spiritual and physical aspects across a range of activities, thinking, decision making, motivation, creativity, beliefs, attitudes, capabilities, procedures and so on. We want to know precisely how the excellent result is achieved so we can replicate it. So that completes this brief explanation of this advanced training. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Of course there's more. There's always more. So stay tuned and look for the next part. Go ahead, visit my website, knowyourmind.com. Let me know where I can send you some valuable tips how to really ramp up your ability to influence and get the results that you truly want. Also, if you could, please subscribe to my channel so you will know when the next part is available. Thanks for that. In the meantime, take care. Cheerio for now.